How to make WhatsApp poll vote. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to make WhatsApp poll vote. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now navigate to any group chat where you want to create WhatsApp poll vote. So remember you can only make WhatsApp poll vote on any group chat. Suppose if this is the group where you wanna make WhatsApp poll vote, you simply need to tap the message bar, tap on the paperclip icon next to the message. Now tap on poll. Here you can easily create any questions and options. If you wanna allow multiple answer, toggle on the button and tap on the arrow at bottom right and your poll vote will appear in this way. Now, any individual on this group can easily vote for this poll. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.